Hi guys, welcome to TechTeam channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create a webhook in Discord. So in this case you have to choose a server first, then go to server name, just stop right here and go to server settings, second option. After that you can see here integrations, this one integration, click on this and you'll find here webhooks. Click on create webhooks and your webhook is created. Spidey if you want to rename it, just click and uh, rename your bot. Then you have to click on this copy web URL, this one, copy your URL, then save changes. Then all you have to open a new tab and write here disco hook. After that, what you have copied you have to paste here, paste that URL, and if and you can send messages, any messages like hi, hello, how are you. Okay, now click on send. Let's check. See, rename your bot. This webhook is created. Okay, so guys, this is how you can make a webhook in Discord. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.